Should couples do open bar from the beginning of the evening or no?
I want to freak her out because she was already crying. So I said, listen,
Like, why do venues put a cake?
I'm not quite sure.
Have you ever had a DIY bride before where they did their own floral?
Usually I wouldn't go 10 people, more than 10 people per table.
Do you recommend people have assigned seating?
No one has ever stolen an envelope box though.
What happens to the vibe of the wedding when an ambulance shows up at your wedding?
Always include yourselves in your meal choices and your count of guests because no one ever does.
I might be that bride crying, I don't know.
And I'm like, oh my God, the cake is not here.
Oh no.
So they called the bakery and the bakery forgot to deliver it.
And I just see the cake falls on who?